Most apps just don't get it. If you've been looking for a place to learn Khmer, you probably realize that the big apps don't teach this language. And if you find an app that teaches Khmer, most of the time it looks like a boring textbook. Today, I'm showing you the best app to learn Khmer. I'll walk you through why it's the best app to get you speaking right from day one. The app I'm talking about is Ling. You can check out the link in the description below to start your 7-day free trial with the Ling app today. We've also added the timestamps for you here as well, so it's easier for you to look through. Now, let's get started with the most critical part of learning a new language. Most apps use text-to-speech or TTS robots, which is good for them because it saves them money, but bad for you because if you learn from a robot, you'll end up sounding like one. But that's what sets Ling apart from the other apps. Ling works closely with native speakers to create the courses to record the voices for you. This is exceptionally helpful for every language, but most especially tonal ones, because you're hearing real people speak with their real accents. It's the best way to get your ear tuned to the natural rhythm of the language right from day one without actually needing to speak to somebody face to face. But hearing it is one thing and using it in context is another. Ling doesn't just throw random vocabulary at you, they built their lessons around context. Understanding the what, the when, the where, the why, that's the key part to learning a new language. They design each lesson to match the real-world situation you need with the right amount of gamification to lead your learning journey. And the sentences you'll use first are the ones that you'll get to use right away, like ordering food, asking for directions, and calling for help in case of an emergency. Now, let's be honest, even if the lessons are going great, staying motivated is one of the hardest parts of learning a new language. That's why I really like the banana points and streak feature. These features motivate you to learn your language daily and progress better. Every lesson earns you banana points. But that's not all. Ling also has a daily streak counter, but it only gives you just the right amount of push to help you open the app at least once a day. And these aren't just for you to see, they push you up the leaderboard so you can compete with other learners, even if it's just a 5-minute break from doom scrolling on social media. Now, with all those features, will they actually teach you how to speak? That's what Ling's chatbot aims to do. It's an interactive conversation partner that simulates real life. You listen to the native speaker, you choose your answer, and the app gives you instant feedback. This helps you put yourself in the situation before you actually talk to somebody, so you're more confident when the time comes that you actually have to use the language. It is the perfect way of practicing how to speak without the anxiety of talking to a stranger before you're ready. And finally, they make sure you aren't just learning how to speak. Ling also includes writing lessons, allowing you to trace characters right on your screen. Now that I've went through Ling's key features, I want to let you know that this app is made with cultural and linguistic respect. Your language matters, and with Ling, we can keep your language alive. Thank you for watching, and give Ling a try if you want to master the language, the accent, and to speak confidently. The premium version is a paid model, but if you want to give it a go before committing, you can click the link in the description below for a free 7-day trial. Have a good language learning journey.